Me go build a full book, pack a skill and burn some cold too. Yeah, go Scotia, go take a loan now. So put a vaccine on the road, bro.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan, I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. The video that you're seeing displaying on your screen right now is a Youngster Asset Folkub official music video. And me are telling the people, if you don't check out that song there yet, me don't know who wanna live probably under a rock. But that song is one of the baddest song for this year, and I say that with no apology. That song here definitely a teach you get to you them all for hustle. And when me say hustle, me not talk choppings, me not talk sell weed, me not talk kill people for money. Not like that. He might do it the legitimate way, and he might show you some different avenues. So him talk about the folk club, him talk about Airbnb, him talk about buy $100 worth of goods from AliExpress, then boom, every gal and them granny get catch. Me not tell a lie. Assets are one of the baddest song for this year. Youngster, go on a road.
Use bills by accessories from AliExpress. And boom, every gal and them gonna get touched. Badness outdated, my finger miss bananas.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chaddy Murray TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Youngster said that.
So people, me I go kind of start off the review with a like a disturbing topic. Now I don't know warm to them parents here, and worse, me don't know warm to them so-called cameraman here. Some call people where just video everything them see and put it on social media. Now, there is a video circulating with two little youth. I don't want to estimate their age, but most definitely them under 12. The two youngsters can be seen on a scooter bike, vibing to Hinton's hit song, Yang. But people, I know that alone, you know, the two of them have born to spliff. Jano Star. I never know how to show this on YouTube, but I try pretty it up. Take a look.
You like my weed, no fucker. I'm stepping on blow Ganzi.
Sometimes I wonder if them people are not in a sense. If them are just one big dirty idiot. They make social media get to them head or what? Why in a smart rightful mind, you know? Them are gonna take up them phone, go in at the app, hit record, video, the tool, little you, them a smoke weed, save it, upload it and share it. Does that make sense? Jaja. Now, the Child Protection and Family Service Agency, CPFSA, is seeking the public assistance in finding these two youngsters. The government agency posts this flyer on their official Instagram website, and they are asking anyone when know them two youth for call 876-822-7031 or 876-499-1764, or you can reach out on their official Instagram, Facebook or Twitter page and make them know if you see them youngsters here. And yes, people, you might have said, Chaddy, if you blur out the flyer, how the hell we are going to see the picnic them for report them? Well, follow me official Instagram page. Me I go post the flyer over there as well. But right now, I cannot post this flyer on YouTube. I'm kind of afraid YouTube laws and rules them kind of different. And these are minors. Alright, so if you don't know them we are about, just please do the right thing. Alright, and head on over to my official Facebook page where me I go post the flyer over there as well. I not post the video because I not share that video there. I might share the video when it blur out, but I not share the video with the UM face and them thing there. Make we move on. Dancehall artist Mavado, Mom Laid to Rest. And for those of you who is wondering if Mavado did make it to the funeral, no, unfortunately, Mavado did not make it to his mom's funeral, and that is such an unfortunate situation. Nevertheless, Mavado sent a letter which was read at his mom's funeral. But before we play that clip, let's check out Mavado's daughter pay tribute to her grandma. Check it out.
I take you lightly, not a demon beside we. Them know fear avoid well. Wear me chain with the cross, not the dark. When I make it vampire bite we. Mama, we never, ever, 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 ever left you out. Love you, mommy.
It is just such an unfortunate situation right now with Mavado and him one family. Because picture this no man, your own mother dead and you can't forward her funeral. Well, I don't even want to use the word can't forward, you know. He chose not to forward. I don't know what go down and we not going to debate on the party, but he was not present. I'm definitely no say he would have want to be present at his mom funeral. Anyway, this is the letter I was talking about earlier. So check it out now.
I have a letter here today from her youngest son, David. Dear Mama, I love you and it really hurts my heart to see you go. I stay at home and cry most of the days just to know and imagine that I can never see you again. It crushed my world and my life, and I don't know what to do, Mama. It's been over 3 months now you're gone, and I have never got to say goodbye. Sometimes I wonder how I couldn't see it coming. I just think about it every day and wonder what more could I have done to save you, Mama. Now you're gone, and it leaves me in a very bad place in my life. You were my best friend. I remember when we used to walk every night to the bus stop and I would tell you that I'm going to get you a car and a house one day. And I did it with the help of God, Mama. I really wanted you to be around to see me overcome all my battles and to see me stand up as a man, Mama. I always think we were going to live long and get old together. Oh, I really miss coming to Jamaica, spending time at the house with you so we could water the flowers together in the mornings and talk about something from back in the days of when Grandma was around. And you would tell me to always do good and good would follow me. I'm trying my best, Mama. I know you are a kind-hearted person and you always pray for me. So I know you will be at the river with the beautiful waters and the angels will keep you safe in Zion. You are the best thing that happened to me, Mama. I am very happy I got a chance to be your son in this life. And you, I'm happy I got a chance to be your son in this life and will do anything to be your son in the next lifetime. I will find you again, my queen, even if it takes me 1,000 lifetimes or 10,000 deaths. I will see your face again. I will never stop fighting for Dante, and I promise to do my best to keep the family together. Please to watch over me, Mama. It really hurts to go on without you. I can't tell you to go and I can't tell you to stay. Never knew my heart could be broken after it's been through so much. But I guess that's why you and Dad named me David. I see you again in a way more better place where you will feel no more pain. Mother, I love you, and for the first time, I really want to tell you how I'm feeling. When you ask how I'm feeling about everything, I would tell you that I'm okay. You would tell me that I always say that I'm okay.
John Star. My condolences goes out to Mavado and the entire family. You know what I mean? It's definitely a rough time now. Very rough time. But you hear what Mavado say. He miss Jamaica and him nah stop fight for Dante. Anyway, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My God.
Mama, me never, ever, 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 ever left you out.